guys know what time it is, and I've been waiting too long. Monterey Car Week, if you guys don't know, it's probably one of the best, if not the best, car event. Once again, you just see some of the craziest stuff there. I think out of any Porsche, guys, this would be the one I would get. Wow, look at the amount of traffic that's really happening right here. It's crazy, but I can see why. I mean, you got Ferraris, you got Lambos, you got McLarens, you got Maseratis everywhere, scattered everywhere, and I can see why, you know, there's gonna be so much traffic. And mind you guys, this is Thursday, so tomorrow and Saturday are gonna be even crazier. Or 34s. Oh, do we have a twin turbo R8? Wow, it's a first gen too. Oh wow, you can hear the spool. Dude, look at that. They're charging $100 for parking over here in the lawn. That's crazy. Wow, we got Stradman's car over here. Stradman's car over here, and then we have another Jesco. Sick. Mr. James right there. A Toyota. Oh my god, I'm in people's way. Okay guys, so right here's the Holy Trinity. We got the McLaren P1, the Porsche 918, and then the little LaFerrari. Charging, and now we're gonna go look for some supercars. Now we're in Carmel, so we're coming to a second place to see if there's any cars over here. To any new viewers, if you guys are coming to Monterey and you guys want to know some good spots, let me know, comment down. And one thing I like to do is pretty much make Monterey Car Week reflect on YouTube as my 1 year anniversary on YouTube, even though it's technically a different day. But I like to go based off Car Week, because when I start to kind of like get more serious with YouTube and actually start posting videos, my early on videos, even though they were a couple seconds long, they were about Monterey Car Week, and I just started posting, and that kind of gave me the drive to continue to post and more videos, edit better, do more how-to and DIY videos. And I feel like I got to give credit to Car Week to give me the drive to post on YouTube and actually like not be shy. I know I'm very introverted. That kind of just gave me the motivation to actually post. So I try to do my YouTube anniversary as pretty much the week of Car Week. And I like to always reflect, and if you guys have seen any of my other videos of Car Week, I like to reflect of what I've accomplished throughout the year and what I want to do in the next following year. And honestly guys, this year has been very tough for me. It's been a lot of roller coasters. I ended up picking up this 2021 Model Y. I just needed it for work, and I was kind of tired of spending so much on gas. I think I'm ever going to go full EV, but this car has really been great, especially the fact that when I got this car, within the first 2 months, I ended up getting rear-ended on the freeway. And honestly, this car took the impact like a champ, and the only damage that was really there was just in the trunk liftgate. And then 2 weeks later, I'm driving home again from work with the BRZ, and then this car next to me hits the shrapnel box explodes. It's made out of wood, and it's just like shreds, and it just basically shredded my car in the front. So I destroyed the front bumper, and I had to get that replaced. And there's been so much. I don't even want to get into all the other stuff, but when it comes to my YouTube, I try to basically put all the negativity aside and just focus on making good videos. If it's install videos, if it's whatever, I just want to focus and lock in on that. So the good stuff of this year has been my BRZ. I ended up getting some new wheels for that car. I still got to install them. I did do a test fit. The tires I have on them are a little bit too thick, so I got to get rid of those tires and actually get some more smaller, still meaty but not super aggressive, but less aggressive tires that would actually fit and won't get like shredded in the wheel wells. And the BRZ is no supercar, but I have been adding a little bit more carbon fiber pieces. I really love the way the car looks like right now, and I don't think I'm gonna be getting rid of it anytime soon, if not ever. I think that's literally hands down the dream car. And once again, I'm still having to wide body it, I'm still having to turbo it. Still haven't done that just yet because everything's so expensive. But if you guys don't know, we've reached almost 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, guys. Thank you to each and every one of you guys that have subscribed, that have watched these videos over the last few years. But we're so close to hitting 100,000 subscribers. I feel like we're pretty much gonna hit it by the end of the year. If not, we're probably gonna hit it by the beginning of next year. Well guys, to ultimately end Monterey Car Week, the car is filthy, my Model Y is filthy, and I gotta wash it with all the dust and debris that I got from kind of going into the sand a couple times and just trying to get those shots for you guys. So definitely got to rinse off the car, and especially rinse off the tires and the wheels. Those are the ones that probably I ended up putting around maybe like 4,000 miles driving back and forth every day. And as you guys know, one company that has always reached out to me and has supported the channel is Super Clean. They reached out and they were like, hey Juan, we know you drive your cars a lot and you definitely got to re-up some more. And luckily when they hit me up asking if I needed more of these products, I actually ran out of the ones I was using that I actually ended up buying at O'Reilly's. And I'm happy they reached out because this product right here does such a good job, and all you do is literally just shake it up a little bit and you just spray it on the wheel and then just let it sit for a little bit, and then you just rinse it off with the hose, and it pretty much takes away all the dirt that's built up right there. And same thing with this one as well, you just spray it, so it just kind of comes down to which one you want to use more. But I do like the foaming action a lot more. So thank you Super Clean as always. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and I only support brands that actually work and none of that cheap stuff. I'm never going to promote anything that doesn't work good. And they're actually not paying me for this. They're literally just sending me out the products. It's just one of those products that I've used for years, even before I had a YouTube channel. And now I'm just happy that my channel's grown to the point where I'm able to actually partner up with brands and actually get products from them that I actually use and spend money on, or would spend money on. So if you guys want to check them out,